What they're getting affected with is some rain from just a weaker system way out ahead of it, and that again is hampering the preparation. So that's just another little thing they have to get over. But the big storm itself is still quite strong, Category 5. In fact, it's increased in intensity again after going down to about 145 miles per hour. It's now 165 miles per hour. We've seen some gusts, certainly even higher than that, moving 475 miles southwest of Tampa, moving at a pace of about 9 miles per hour east-northeast. We think that will also begin to accelerate as we get deeper into the day tomorrow. So here's this particular computer model suggesting by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Here's Tampa, and here's the coast of Florida right in here. So you can see some of the outer bands already with some heavy rain moving in. But the main portion of the storm, the main push of the storm surge, that's going to be tomorrow night into early Thursday morning. And you can see the center of the storm. The latest information has it jogging just maybe a little bit further south, maybe a little bit closer to St. Pete. But again, give or take 10 to 15 miles, not going to make a difference in terms of overall threat and damage with this storm. So here's the windshield around it, meaning here's the hurricane force winds. That's about as big as the circle will be. The tropical storm force winds will get larger, though, as the storm begins to approach. And then notice where those hurricane force winds go. Here's Tampa Bay, here's St. Pete in here, right across that area, and even just a little further to the south. That's the greatest threat for wind damage. Everybody could still see wind damage in the tropical storm force winds, but the storm surge right up against the coast, that's going to be a big story. And then the flooding rains that will last even beyond the storm making landfall. All right, 66 in town right now. Our weather picture nice and quiet, still holding on to 71. Over Newark, we've got a partly cloudy sky. A little disturbance to the north, but look where those showers are going. They're staying to the north of us. We're going to stay dry, so mostly clear for tonight. Cool night. You'll need the jackets and sweaters tomorrow morning. Lots of sun tomorrow afternoon. We stay in the 60s. Those showers stay north. The chilliest air will arrive on Thursday and probably last into Friday morning, and then we'll see a little bit of a rebound as we get towards the weekend. So 66 for tomorrow, not bad at all. Coolest day Thursday, even with sunshine, those 61, 40s at night. Mid-60s Friday, Yom Kippur, nice and dry and pleasant. And then 74 at least, if not higher, in some inland spots on Saturday. Next chance of any showers, and light at that, would be Sunday into Monday, with temperatures backing down to the 60s next week.